Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how to open a SoFi checking account. Opening a SoFi checking and savings account is a straightforward digital process that takes just a few minutes. But before you start your application, you need to make sure you have the right information and documentation ready. To successfully apply, you must be at least 18 years old, have a valid physical United States address, and possess a government-issued photo identification document such as a driver license, state ID, or an unexpired passport. In addition to your identification and address proof, you will need to provide your social security number or an individual taxpayer identification number for tax reporting purposes, your current employment details, and a valid phone number and email address for account verification. To begin the application process, head over to the official SoFi website or download the mobile app. Log into your profile or click on Get Started under the Banking Products section. When opening your account, you will initiate the process as an individual account. And keep in mind that when you open a SoFi savings account, SoFi Bank will also automatically open a corresponding checking account for you. During the online application form, you will be prompted to enter your legal name, date of birth, citizenship status, and primary residential address. Next, input your social security number or ITIN. Select your current employment status, and fill out any specific details regarding your employer. You will also need to declare whether you are subject to backup withholding taxes. Once you have filled out all the required personal and tax information, you will need to verify your phone number by entering the security code sent to you via SMS. Carefully review the legal disclaimers, check the agreement box, and click Submit to finalize and send your application for review. While many applications are approved instantly through automated identity verification, some accounts may require manual document review, which can take a few business days if additional proof of address or identity verification is requested by the institution. After your account is successfully approved and opened, the final step is to fund your new account. You can easily link an external bank account via electronic transfer to make your initial deposit. And while SoFi does not enforce a strict minimum opening deposit requirement, adding funds quickly allows you to take advantage of various account features. To maximize your benefits, consider setting up a direct deposit, which can help you unlock higher yield savings rates, cash sign-up bonuses, and early paycheck access without having to worry about monthly account maintenance fees, overdraft fees, or minimum balance requirements. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.